Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android 10 system head unit for Toyota Avalon 2013 to 2018 years. Okay, let me unbox review. Here is a very big box. Okay, you can check this head unit very long and big. This is head unit and harness in the canvas box and cables. Okay, let me show the harness and cable set first. Okay, you can check this special cable for Toyota Avalon. This canvas decoder box. And this radio antenna. This is camera input, adapter and AC type. This is also camera input adapter. Okay. And this is power and speaker. Okay. And this is K1, GND, and K2 for steering wheel control assist, usually decoded by canvas box. This amplifier AMP wire, 12 voltage. This is AUX input left and right AC type. You can check reserve in already decoded the canvas box. Okay. It comes with a remote controller and the original USB. This GPS antenna and this camera input. This is two USB cable and external microphone. This AUX input left and right and video input AC type. This is audio cable, subwoofer AC type, and video out 1 and video out 2. This is audio out front and rear, left and right AC type. Okay. This back of head unit, you can check this power, fuse, GPS, Wi-Fi antenna and the audio, and USB, this radio antenna port. Please take out these two screws. This fixing DVD in the shipping. This head unit has DVD player. Okay, connect the Avalon back. Connect the power. Okay. Now you can check head unit will be start. Okay. Okay, this is front UI interface, and you can check these two SD card slots. There are two SD card slots. This is volume button. This Navi built-in Google navigation. The radio. Please take out this screw protector before using. Okay. Click search button, it will search the radio stations. This DVD slot and the built-in microphone and this resetable microphone. This IR remote controller, this home button, and this DSP amplifier. You can check the DSP amplifier. This back button. This sub control. This EQ. This disc, this load off, load on, this home button. Okay. and very fast response. It's built in the Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. This vehicle information. Okay. This control setting. The radar system settings. We can check. And put this. And it's built in the Google Maps. This Z-Link app for wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It's wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Okay. Built in the Bluetooth. Let me check the settings. It's Wi-Fi and hotspot from your phone. This PX5 chip. We also have PX6 Android 10 system. Okay. You can change the car settings, personal settings, LED settings. You can change this button color with red and blue, gray, any color. You can adjust this panel to the blue. Okay. Connect to the Wi-Fi, and you can visit our website. Belsee.com, Belsee.com. If you have any more questions, just visit our website to contact to us. Belsee.com. This Tesla style screen. Okay, if you have any more questions, please visit our website to contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.